All right, so we're doing this WeVideo thing today. Sometimes it's hard to learn, like a new app and do an assignment at the same time. So you're gonna get to pick to do the video on whatever you want that's appropriate for school, just to get used to the software, and then we'll do an assignment with it later. All right, so WeVideo, there's a bunch of stuff. This was confusing for some people. When it says if you're on a school computer, I meant like the laptops or a Windows computer. If you're on a Chromebook, you would follow these directions. If you borrowed a Chromebook from me, it's probably full. You might have to do that power wash thing so it can save screenshots. If you're on your own, you should be fine. You're going to sign up for WeVideo. There's a link. If you've ever used it before, you can log in. If you've never used something before, you got to sign up. It kind of just went right to sign in for me. You're going to sign up, and then they're going to prompt you. You're going to say like education, student. You can say screencast. I don't think that really matters, but what does matter is when you're creating stuff, we're going to create a video. I'm going to do the easy stuff first. You should do this too, and then I'll save the thing that's a little tiny bit tricky for last. But if you notice, I have three. This says audio, video, and text. So I can grab some default music, and it's only going to let me drop it into the audio path. If I want to change it, I don't have to use all of it. I could cut, I could delete. Just give me till the end of this, and I'll answer your questions. All right, so that's audio, right? The video, I'm going to use background. I drag to extend it. I could cut it. I could do like two different videos, two different backgrounds. I just drag and drop whatever, wherever I wanted to. All right, so here's the tricky part. I'm going to show it a couple times. Say I want to add something, right? Like I want to add some images. I'm going to Google image search. Then I'm going to right click on your Chromebook. It's two fingers. And then I'm going to save image as. It's going to default to downloads on a Chromebook. You could pick where you save it. You can make a new folder, save it to your Google Drive. The only thing about like images, you probably have enough room on your Chromebook. If you try to grab like a GIF or a GIF, you're going to have to save it to your Google Drive because that file is a little bigger. Any kind of videos, anything like that is going to be a Google Drive thing. I can save it to my downloads because I got some room. And then when I go to WeVideo, I go to My Media, Import, which always means grabbing it from somewhere. Now, if you saved it to your drive, you got to click Drive. I saved it to a computer, so I'm going to look at my downloads. And I grabbed a couple images. I'm going to upload them all. And then when I'm ready, I can start dragging and dropping them in. And then you're going to put transitions in between so they look like not just static, right, from one cut to another. A lot of this is, I'm sure if you ever used any of these like social media apps, they all have stuff like this. This is basic web editing, right? Scissors always mean cut. You could always add features. You're going to put transitions between stuff to make it look better or smoother. And you could kind of pick stuff. We're using our own images. They have images. We're using our own because they're all paid for on their site, and then you can't publish or export it. So that's why we're grabbing our own images from the internet so we could make it into a video. All right, so today, whatever you want, make it short. video. It could be about stuff you like. If you don't know what to make it about, you can make like a holiday card for somebody as a video, send it to a family member. It's mostly to learn how to use WeVideo. It's not like what you make is not important. It's just that you could use this site. All right, any questions? All right, if you're not by a group, you can turn around. If you get stuck, you can talk to them.